Hey everyone, this is Leo Lauretti from Abstract Music Lab, and today I'm back here in the sound design channel. Today I'm recreating a pad called Full Deli, and it sounds like this if you want to listen to it in isolation with the MIDI. Now if you want to listen to it in context, really cool sound that you can find over here in the description below, and you can find it in the Afro House Volume 2 pack from PML, and you can find it at PML's website over here in the description below. But now let's get started with Serum, and let's get started with this tutorial. We're going to start by initializing this preset, and this is how it sounds like. You're going to start by selecting a Juno wave, and you can find it in the analog section. Detune, we're going to pick to 6 voices. And the detune actually to 0.6, something like this. Wet position up. Level as it is, and that's how it's going to be. Now we're also going to select an MB saw, and you can find this over here. Now the level here is going to go a little bit down. Wet position is going to change a lot. We're going to also have unison here, but last detune. And we're going to pick the octave here and put it an octave up. Now, noise, we're going to select an ARP circuit. Put it a bit up in level. And that's pretty much it. Now we're going to go into envelope 1. And in envelope 1, we're going to put the attack a lot up. Somewhere like this, but the handle is going to go over here. Decay is going to go a little bit higher. Sustain is going to remain as it is. And the release is also going to go a little bit higher. But this is going to go somewhere over here in the bottom of M2. Filter, we're going to select an MG low 12. We're going to select A, B, and noise. And we're going to pick this cutoff and put it all the way up. Resonance a bit up. And that's pretty much it. Now we're going to go into the effects section. We're going to start by selecting a delay. And in the delay, we're not going to do anything. It's going to remain exactly as it is. Now we're also going to select a reverb. And in the reverb, we're going to pick the size, put it a bit up. The wet is also going to go a bit up. But we're going to select a plate reverb, and the pre-delay is going to go a bit up. Low cut, high cut, damp, and width is going to remain all as it is. Now we're going to go into a filter. We're going to select an MG low 12, and an MG low 12, we're going to pick this cutoff and put it a bit up. Somewhere like this. But we're going to have to do something to modulate this. And we're going to pick an LFO 1. We're going to pick this rate and put it to 4 bars. We're going to leave it as off BPM anchor. And we're going to assign this to the cutoff. And this is going to be somewhere like this. But we're going to pick this handle over here and leave it somewhere over here around this 37.5 mark. To finish this, we're going to go and select an EQ, and in the EQ, we're going to select a low cut. We're going to pick the Q, put it to somewhere like this. And the frequency is going to remain pretty much as it is, somewhere like this only. Now, if you want to listen to this in context, this preset is amazing for breakdowns, and if you liked it, you can get it over here in the description below. This is Leo Lauretti from Abstract Music Lab signing off. Ciao.
Hi, this video is sponsored by us. If you like these tutorials and want to support the channel, please check out our website packed with online courses and professional sample packs. Also check our ready-to-use and club-tested Serum presets. You can browse by the genre and style you're looking for, or get the incredible deal with the full Serum preset bundle. Thank you for listening, and now let's get back to your tutorial.